going to do today is we're on the Potomac River, just below dam number 4. We'll zip up to the dam, which is a couple miles upriver that way, and then we're going to go downriver, maybe to Shepherdstown or maybe further. I'm not really sure yet. Just depends on how things go. I think we'll be fine. Not too many trees floating down. So what do you say? We need luck today, that's for sure. So you ready? Yeah, so that was dam number 4, and you can see the water's really dirty and really rough. Now normally, you know, you can like wade around out, you know, just below that dam and fish. I didn't want to get too close to it because quite frankly, I'm a little bit scared of that because I'm not a strong swimmer and I don't know exactly how far I can push this boat. I haven't had it that long. All right, so what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and go back down river, past the boat ramp where we put in, and head down to Shepherdstown. See you there. saw all these sticks piled up, and I just came over here to see if there's any goodies in there, like volleyballs full of gold coins, but I didn't see anything at all. All right, oh, lots of birds. There's eagles flying around. Those are blue herons right there, but I had 3 eagles go upriver. So it was a fun little trip. All right, so we'll see you on the next one. Fingers crossed. Gotta hope for the Chig luck. Let's get out of here. Until I go to sleep. She'll shake the coins from your pocket, take your gold chain and your locket. Mother Earth has no sympathy. She'll take the ring from your hand and bury it in the sand.